It's trap season, bro. Who that, trap? And I eat it from my mini bomb, bust down. These hoes can't stand me. Currently working on a Grammy, meanwhile, pussy poppin' with your
French toast, side of eggs and chicken and bacon. She got pancakes. Let's try this. I do need some more soup. I need a lot of salt. Let me taste this. The French toast is pretty good. It's good. You taste it?
Me and my bitches ain't playing. Ice me out like Elsa. Fly me out, private jet, no Delta. You can send your bitch back to the shelter. You ain't got no money, bitch, I can't help you.
He liking these. Yeah, pink. They're so pretty. But my hair is long enough. What's this? Keychain holder. This lady done brought us up in Target and it's storming outside. My mom, she wanted so desperately to come in Target for some e.l.f. lip gloss. And yeah, it is literally storming outside. That's why I have on my Croc rain boots.
Yes.
She gonna tell me, hold that and tell them what it's a dupe of. I don't know what is that a dupe of, y'all, because I don't know. Oh, this is the same thing as that. It's actually cute, but she playing games. No e.l.f. lip gloss, y'all. We probably should have went into Ulta, but I don't see no lip gloss. It's storming outside. Y'all, I want a mini Keurig like this. I started drinking coffee now that I go into the office every day. And you said Molly got a pink one? They have it on display. Yeah, I want the pink one.
Right there. What's this? What's this?
Oh. It's $100. Why? I thought it was cheaper than that.
It's on sale. It should be on sale for $59.99 now.
Oh, maybe they just stuck that one here. Yeah, they just stuck that here. So yeah, that one should be $59.99. I need that in my life. I've been wanting. I was gonna order. I think it was off Amazon. Yeah.
What's the difference between this a mini?
Yeah.
But this ain't gonna fit in my thing.
I told her we needed a cart. Don't try to smile. She wasn't. I told her.
She's young. You can go back and get a cart.
I cannot. Oh yeah, they got more of the pink ones there. All right, got a blast. You know, like since I'm a new coffee drinker, you know, it's just so much to choose from. My thing about to die. My camera is. I've actually the peppermint. They had some peppermint coffee at work, and it actually tastes good. You'd be surprised. It wasn't strongly. Didn't have a strong peppermint. They got Snickers. Maybe I should have just did it regular. I don't know. All right, I'll let y'all know what I end up getting because I don't know. So, end up getting, what is this? The cinnamon roll and regular, what is this? Regular medium roast, Splenda, French vanilla cream. All right, y'all. So it's a few hours later. I'm about to open this up and figure out where I'm going to put it. I'm tacky, y'all. Don't look at what I got on. But I just came home and got comfortable. Well, it's kind of hard to get out of here. This has to be where you would put the water. Let me wipe off this counter real quick. So y'all, I'm trying to decide where I want to put this, but one thing I like is that this cord you can pull out as much as you need basically. Or can you? Yeah, you can. It's kind of stiff. I don't want to pull out a whole bunch, but I'm trying to see, do I want it over here because the cups, like my cups are in these cabinets up here, so I kind of want to put it in this area opposed to putting it over here. I low-key want to put it over here. So let's see. Ooh. Yeah, want to make sure this plug worked too, because in my apartment, y'all, there are, like, I be plugging stuff into the outlets or into different outlets, and then I realize that outlet doesn't work. So, but it's definitely, see, it lit up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make me a cup of coffee now. I know I wanted to have it set up because my mom may want to make one in the morning. So it is set up. Probably need to move this over here then. Something got to give. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I will definitely figure it out. So I put this over here. And I like it. I want to see, you know how the girls be setting up they like coffee areas and stuff? Y'all know how the girls be setting up their coffee areas and stuff. I definitely want to do that. I gotta watch me some TikTok, see some pictures, get some ideas so I can see what I need to buy to set up my like coffee area. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I thought about putting it on my bar cart though, but my bar cart is in the corner. Y'all, it's kind of a mess in here. My bar cart is right there in the corner and I just have stuff on it, but I thought about setting up my coffee thing on my bar cart and possibly bringing my bar cart in like my kitchen area or so. I don't know. I don't know, but my living room kind of looks a mess now. Y'all, look at Callie under the couch. I need to give me a cute like Christmas cup. Okay, I'm about to wash my dishes and straighten up my kitchen because my kitchen looks a mess. But it did come with some like a start guide, and then it just came with this little thing that says thank you for choosing Keurig. So I'm really happy about this, y'all. But when it has some coupons on it. on the back of this start guide. So, in the restaurant that we went to this morning, we went to, I think it's called El Perro, if I said that wrong, but that's where we went. We were gonna go to Easy, I think it's called Easy Like Sunday, and there was a 2-hour wait, so we didn't go there. We went to El Perro, and it was pretty good. Y'all seen the food, the vibes, everything. It was really good. So hey y'all, I look a mess. So my mom's gone. My mom was here because I had to have a medical procedure done yesterday, and I am still in pain and my throat is sore, and she's gone. I was gonna record myself trying to style on my locks, but I really don't feel up to it. So what was I gonna say, y'all, I really love my my mini Keurig machine. See, I keep getting hoarse. I really love my mini Keurig machine. It does take a while to make the coffee. I don't know if y'all caught that from the video or from what I showed y'all. It takes a while so to make it, because the one at work that we have at work is bigger, and it makes it like really quick. Like, it makes it almost instantly. Mine takes like maybe like 2 or 3 minutes to make it, like to warm the, to get the water hot and all that. So, but my throat hurts. Y'all remember when I was in the hospital last year? Well, the same thing kind of came up with some of my liver enzymes elevating. So they had to go down my throat and place a stent in one of my bile ducts. So they put you to sleep to do that. And like I yesterday, I guess, you know, I was still like, I wasn't feeling as bad. But this morning I woke up, my throat was so sore, my stomach hurts. When I lay down and try to get up, my whole body hurts. So, but I was, like I said, gonna record myself doing a hairstyle, but maybe another time. So I'm about to go, y'all. I'm about to see what footage I have and then go ahead and upload a video. So I'm sitting here now at home. It's Tuesday. I took off today because I didn't know how I was gonna feel, and I don't feel that great. So I'm sitting here in my living room. I'm watching Gina. Again, I was watching her yesterday. Was that yesterday? Yeah, I was watching her yesterday. Or that was Sunday. I didn't report yesterday. That was Sunday. I was watching her. And it's Tuesday. I'm watching her again. So I'm about to go, y'all, because if y'all can hear my voice, like, I'm very like hoarse. And I've been drinking water, so. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to edit the footage I have, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.